Good evening from Epcot. I am here at the Epcot International Food Wine Festival. I'm going to try some new food because 4 booths. The rest of the booths have opened today here at Epcot. So we're going to try some new food, some new mac and cheese, some seafood, even a seafood I've never tried before. And I believe sushi, Spam Sushi, I think in the Hawaii booth. But let's start out over here with Coastal Eats and try some seafood. So from the Coastal Eats booth, we have baked Scampi Dip and oysters Rockefeller. Presentation looks really good. I have never had oysters before, so this is going to be an interesting adventure. So I think first you're supposed to squeeze the lemon on them. Let's give these a try. All right, here we go. First time having oysters. I don't know if this is supposed to look like this or not, but here we go. Not bad. It's actually pretty good. There's no seafoody taste. I don't taste any sort of seafoody type of taste at all. Pretty good, not bad. First time having oysters. I actually like that. I like these type. I don't know if I can eat them raw with. Now we're going in for the baked Scampi Dip. Let's go ahead and move this around a little bit. It's supposed to be shrimp and some other things in here. Cheese. Which is probably why I took one of those lactate pills before I did this. Let's see how it tastes. You got 4 slices of bread. Let's try to get as much of the dip in here as possible. Oh, that's definitely hot. There we go. So here we go with the baked Scampi Dip. It's not, doesn't have a seafoody taste, but I don't think I got really any shrimp or anything in this bite. So I'd say, based on my first impression, it's just okay. Now I was able to find some of the seafood after I dug down a little bit more. That definitely makes a difference. In the taste. It's not bad. I'm always wary of seafood at food festivals, but this is actually pretty good. Our next stop is the Mac and Eats booth, which has become very popular in the last few years since it made its debut in 2020 when we had the taste of Epcot International Food and Wine Festival. And it's evolved since then. We're going to try the vegan chili mac and cheese. So that's the brand new item this year, so I can't wait to try it. So I got the chili cheese mac and cheese from the Mac and Eats booth. This is a vegan mac and cheese. It has vegan sour cream, and of course vegan cheese, vegan chili. And yes, that is Fritos on there. This looks good. Portion size? Actually, it's hard to tell if it's gotten smaller than in the past 2 festivals. But maybe they're just using a bigger bowl. But it looks like a good portion size for $5.50. Not bad. All right, here we go. Looks like I got a mix of everything. There, the beans, the mac and cheese, the Frito, the cheese that's on top, the sour cream. Let's give it a try. Very good. Their vegan mac and cheese, since they've done the mac and cheese booth, has always been really good. This is a new version of it. I really liked it. I think I would definitely get this again. $5.50 is not a bad price either. Now the Noodle Exchange booth is back this year. However, there are no new items at the booth. It was one of our festival favorites last year. The Noodle bowls are easily one of the best deals here at the food festival, so definitely check it out. All right, our last stop is the Hawaii booth, one of our favorites. But we're not getting a Kahlua pork slider. I know, shocking. But we are getting the newest item on the menu. Here is the newest item at the Hawaii booth, the Spam Musubi Nigiri. I hope I didn't slaughter that. You've got sushi rice, you've got teriyaki glaze spam, you've got spicy mayo, eel sauce, and I think there's one other item in there. And of course, it looks like a seaweed salad. So we're going to give this a try. I like sushi, so different types of sushi. So let's see how this is. Is this technically sushi? Sushi? I can't even say sushi. Is this technically sushi? Who knows? Probably not. But hey, let's give it a try. So I'm not using chopsticks because I don't want to drop this. So here we go. You can see the spicy mayo. You can see the teriyaki on there. So let's give it a try. Now, I love the Kahlua pork slider, but I may have a new favorite thing at the Hawaii booth because this is very good. And I may have a new favorite food this festival. I really like this. So that is it. We stopped by all 4 food booths that open today. 3 of them have new items. Noodle Exchange does not. And yeah, it's getting a little dark out here. And they were all pretty good. I thought the seafood items from Coastal Eats were not too bad for a food festival. The spam nigiri, I'm missing one word in that. Maybe my new festival favorite. And the vegan mac and cheese, the chili mac and cheese was pretty good. A worthy successor to the previous vegan mac and cheese. So that is it from the Food and Wine Festival. We didn't try any new drinks. There really wasn't anything new that I really wanted to try. Most of the stuff at those booths were repeating items from before. So that's it. From the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival, remember, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment and question below, and we'll see you in the parks. Good night from Epcot.